I'm proud of Africa.
Hello world, welcome back to Eating the African Way. My name is Nicholas. Today we are still in Lalia in Acholi, Lalia village in Acholi, one of the villages I'm staying, and I'm enjoying the environment, the people, everything, the food. So today we have a second dish. By now you have seen the first video we made on this channel. It was bo. I don't know, you know what they have in their village. In this video we're going to look at malakwang. Malakwang, as you see this malakwang. So I have no idea about this, but through the video you're going to learn a lot. Their benefits, their health benefits. So let us get into the video and see what they have for us. But thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. Let us get so deep into their culture through food. All right, let's just get into the video. If you're watching this video and you are part of the African society, you can tell us the type of foods you have, their benefits, which one is your favorite, and also I think we should go also into the benefits of this, the healthy benefits of this, apart from the cultural side. This can help you get appetite, and you are a mother, you're breastfeeding, and don't have enough milk in your breasts, you can have this. We are going to sun dry this, I think for like 10 minutes or 15. And then after, we're going to use the same foods. They told me yesterday we cooked the food which you are supposed to be cooked along with this dish. No, there's a way the food and the sauce they have their combination. Here in Africa, don't just like cook food and then feel like today I'm cooking beans with Irish potatoes. They have to have that combination. So we are going to cook this again with Irish potatoes because that is the best food you can eat along with malakwang. So let's just get to the video and see. We are going to stand right them as I told you for how many minutes? 15, 16. Okay. Let us just go. But thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. I had to bring her back. You have seen her in the first video. I also mentioned that channel at the beginning of this video. What was it again? Doslin Daniels. This one is our chef. I hope for today. You know, I can't do this without testing. Okay, we are done here. I think let us bring our vegetables back. So we're going to cook layata, lumonde, that is sweet potatoes. Then after we're going to go back, we'll prepare our malakwang, the fish, and also the paste which we're going to use in our sauce. So don't go anywhere, keep watching.
As you saw in the previous video, this is how we clean our greens. We do this to remove of the soil, the sand that is in it. So we dust it off. This is how we do it. It's very, very easy to do this, by the way. So we don't wash our greens. We do this, we chop them off. So I'm sure most of you are wondering, what are they doing? What are they doing with the greens? Yeah, this is our way of cleaning the greens. In this dish, we're going to, like I said earlier, we're going to prepare this dish with fish and we're going to paste it after. So how we prepare our fish, we boil our fish with tomatoes and we put in some salt. We leave it to boil on fire for 10 minutes. We leave our fish to boil on fire for 10 minutes. Then after, we sort out the bones out of the fish. We normally sort out bones out of the fish before adding it to the malakwang because we want it to be safer for each and everyone to enjoy the dish. So we don't want you to get hurt with the bones at the end of it all. So that's why we sort out our bones out of the fish. So you guys are going to see how we do this step by step. And yeah, I am sure by now you've seen where we are cooking our food from our outside kitchen. It's right next to the house. And I'm sure most of you have not seen such a kitchen before. But yes, we are here to bring for you the best content with Eat the African Way. And I can't wait for you guys to eat the food with him and you guys are going to see how we do this process by process. I hope you enjoy the video. And if it's your first time to see this face, I'm called Jocelyn Daniels. He's going to leave a link or write a name somewhere. I'm called Jocelyn Daniels. Please subscribe to my channel. We cut our greens as well. Today we are cutting this too because we want it to be soft. It has to be a soft dish, so we cut it to make the leaves much softer for everyone to enjoy. Yeah, so that's why we are cutting this. So this is our magic while making our foods. We really take our time to cook it very carefully to make the food come out, to make the dish come out uniquely and nice. So this is cut like this because it's very easy to cook. It boils very fast. So we don't cut it a lot because it's easy for it to cook. It boils very fast. This is going to take like 15 to 20 minutes for it to boil, and then it's ready. Then we shall add in the fish and then paste it, and then our meal will be ready.
Some of the things I enjoy doing is to eat, but when it comes to cooking, I'm not a fan of that. I always want to go to the last part.
African continent, so full of life, so full of love.
So guys, we're going to pour the soup that we boiled the fish with. I told you earlier, I explained to you very well how we boiled the fish, what we used in boiling the fish. So the soup that we boiled the fish with is what we are going to paste. So if you're pasting this, you have to make sure your OD is enough, your peanut paste is enough. So guys, we have finally added the fish into the paste sauce. So the last bit, we are going to add our malakwang inside, and yes, we leave it to cook for like 10 minutes and our food is ready. I hope you guys are excited to test it with us. I hope you are excited. I'm excited. I know how it tastes like, but I can't wait for you guys to try it out. I can't wait for Eat the African Way to try it out and give you guys a proper review for our delicacy. This is one of my favorite dishes. Yeah.
So we have to sit on the mat and we eat as a community, as a family. Totally different from where you come from. Some of you are watching this video. But I think we should dive into the food. We see how it tastes. I feel like I'm loving the scent coming out from our sauce.
This is us. This is who and what we are. Oh, set me down in Africa. The DNA.
This is going to be my favorite dish. Every time I come this side, I think this is one of the foods I'll be looking for. But I love the combination. The three sauces, they come up with something which is so fresh. I'm feeling the taste of vegetables. They are so fresh. The fish is away from this world. But there's magic. When you mix groundnuts with dried fish, there's always that taste, the rich taste you're going to get from the sauce. And the greens are making it so rich. Whew. I'm loving this.
The DNA of Africa flows in every fiber of our being. The glory.
When the food is nice, this side they say dark meat. Is that the word? Dark meat. So from my side we say mere womanyo. You can also tell us what we can do next from this side. So far we have 2 videos. We're still making more videos, but as you're watching this video, you can tell us in the comment section. Tell us what you think about this, what you miss about your staple food. Do you find those in diaspora, do you get time and find these foods on the street or in the nearby markets or in the stores? You can tell us in the comment section. Or what do you miss most about your home? You see what we always talk about, how food brings people together. I think food can be one of the things that can unite us. Imagine I'm from different society, they are from this society, we seated on the same mat enjoying the dish. Oh, I feel like I belong here. I think we need to close this video. Thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. I'm loving the the taste which is coming out from this, it is so fresh. It is so natural. I don't know if you get time and you taste natural food apart from the junk foods you eat. Those in diaspora, those are outside of Africa. I don't know if you get time and you find your food. Yeah, this is too small. I feel like sending out all these people and enjoy their food alone, but it will be unhuman. Okay, let us close this video. We'll go find what we can do next. Thank you so much for being part of Eating African Way. I love you all. Mwah.